This is at 811 Uptown. Oh shit, this goes on.
Yeah, it goes all the way down there. Which one did it give us?
There's a view. Ooh, looks like there's some stuff down there.
Oh yeah, there is.
Ooh, look at that place in the distance. That pretty tall.
That's Ravenswood Hospital.
Really?
Yeah.
No, that little
Wait.
tall part.
This one?
See, look at my camera. See what my finger's pointing at.
Yeah.
That.
Oh, that. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I haven't been over there.
Oh, there's a machine room in. Oh, that's where I think that's where we went. Or yeah, that's where we went earlier.
I think so.
Oh, I remember that place.
Yeah, me too. Did it give us the fucking service elevator?
It's all right.
Look at your massive cab view. It's fucking huge.
All right, get in. No, come on. Just come on in.
Oh no, why would we do that?
We'll go to 1 and then up to 4.
Schindler said about 5,100.
Damn, the doors are already like kind of scraped up.
Yes. It is a service elevator after all.
True.
11 Uptown. Oh, look, there's a 15th floor. Spicy.
Sorry, one. I like that.
Floor one.
Looks like you got the room flow.
Come on.
There we go.
Loser. Welcome to my handmade elevator.
Elevator is going.
I'm social distant from life.
Nice. And